We are launching a new program called Asana Talents. Our goal is to help individuals by providing free Asana licenses as well as content, support, basically anything that our clients get. And we would give that away for free to individuals. Those individuals would be athletes, people in the music industry, content creator, entrepreneur, anyone that fits that profile could actually apply to get the free license and our help along the way. Why did we do this? We did this because we looked at people like Nike, Adidas. They would actually sponsor athletes to help them with their sport career. And we realized that a lot of people actually have a job but need to do a lot of planning, scheduling, organizing in the background, and they usually have a team behind them. If you look at a DJ, for example, they have to book the different dates, the different venues they have to play with. They might have to buy some stuff to work. If you look at someone selling flowers, for example, this is an example we have. Someone selling flowers in a shop, they have to manage all the content they create. They have to manage inventory, and they don't always have the idea or even the budget to get an actual tool to do this. And even Asana can be quite expensive sometimes, and it doesn't sell a single license. That's why we decided to sponsor those people. We already have a couple of talents lined up. We have a DJ, a trail runner, a content creator, someone selling flowers in a shop, and we are adding more people every week. We have 50 enterprise licenses to give away along with our help. So make sure to apply by using the links below, and we will be in touch as soon as possible. See you there.